Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you Windows 11 sign in automatically without a password. So how to set it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all go to your search of the Windows, type a NETPLWIZ. Open a NetPLWiz, open it. After doing this step, uncheck user must enter a username and password to this computer. Uncheck it. Click on apply. Enter your password. Confirm password. Click on OK button and click on OK. After doing this step, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, the password not required. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.